Well, hey guys, this is Benjamin Key with KEE Roofing out of Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Just stopping by a job here for the moons. If you haven't already, call us for a free inspection, 864-610-4240 or 1-844-KEE Roof. So basically, guys, we just wanted to stop by this job here and check on things, make sure everything's running the way it should be. And ran into a couple of issues here with, this is an insurance job. And basically we came in, customer had a hailstorm, did an inspection, and of course insurance being insurance denied the roof. And here you can kind of see it in the background. And this was actually a 2-layer roof, and essentially the insurance company came in, denied the roof the first time, denied it the second time, and we got it the third time. So here at KEE Roofing, guys, we don't go away, we don't give up. We're going to come in and fight for you guys to get you approved. If you have legitimate damage from winter hailstorms, that's one of the things that we specialize in specifically. And insurance came in, finally threw a little bit of money at it, said go away, essentially. And they found out here at KEE Roofing we don't go away. So here you can see the back. They were putting new synthetic underlayment, new step flashing, had to replace the skylights. That was one thing the insurance carrier tried to get away with not paying for the skylights. They've got 3 of them here. And they threw a couple $100 at skylights. We had to come in and get some bid items from our subs to get that covered properly, which we did. And one of the things that just want to talk about today, guys, is how drastic an insurance carrier can underpay the jobs. Here we've got some back videos, but essentially in this situation, you know, they came in, threw some money at it. We, you know, around $10,000. And then, you know, the difference with KEE Roofing from some of the competitors, you know, kind of the unwritten rule or unspoken rule is that the contractor is kind of supposed to eat those costs, or the customer's going to have to come out of pocket and pay, you know, the money that's lacking from the insurance carrier. But most people don't realize, you know, if you have a full replacement cost, then you've got full replacement cost. And that means code upgrade items and every line item in Xactimate that is supposed to be covered and replaced on your roof is supposed to be included in the roof. Just picking up some shingle materials there. But give you an idea how far the insurance carriers can be off sometimes, guys. We came back and went back to the insurance in the form of supplements to get them to cover the roof properly. Increased this job to around 40 grand. So from 10,000 to 40,000. And you know, in the past, like I said, they're hoping that the customer is going to cover the cost, or possibly you might find a contractor who's not going to supplement the jobs, and you know, they're going to cut corners to turn a profit. Unfortunately, that's kind of the way it does happen a lot, but that's not something that we do here at KEE Roofing. And like I said, we go back to them in the form of supplements. You know, give you an example, guys, with this job, it took close to 6 months to get this approved where it should be. We started out with just a few simple minor repairs that they said, okay, that's some hail damage on some of the downspouts. And then after, you know, going back multiple times, meeting the adjusters out there for multiple re-inspections and everything like that, we were able to get the gutters covered, full roof replacement. Then the insurance tried to pay for 1 layer when it's a 2-layer roof, so double the layers, double the roof, double the material, and everything like that. So went back, got that covered, and then of course we had some siding hail damage, so we went in and came through and pulled what's called an ITEL report. An ITEL report, you know, we send it off to the laboratories in Jacksonville, Florida. They look nationwide to see if the siding is a discontinued product or it's still a viable product. And of course it came back as discontinued. And so in that situation, we went back and then supplement to, you know, because the insurance companies owe for like, kind, and quality with reasonable appearance. And if we were to put, you know, 2 different types of products on this house, it's not like, kind, and quality. So in that situation, guys, we were able to actually get them to cover the full siding replacement, full gutter replacement, full roof replacement, fascia metals, skylights, and then of course, insurance being insurance, you know, they're in business to turn a profit, and obviously, you know, they want to minimize the claims as much as possible and underpay the claims. And if, you know, they try to delay, defer, and draw this out. I mean, like the perfect example of this job here, it took us 6 months to get it approved to where it should be, but now we're actually through the build process, and you know, we're not cutting corners. We're replacing all the step flash and hip and ridge cap, adding drip edge, ice and water in the valleys, all the different code required items that we had to fight for that some contractors may not replace or may not include, or they may charge you in addition to this. So that's the distinction and the differentiation between KEE Roofing. Guys, just wanted to kind of do this quick video, show you the job build. And if there's anything we can do to help you out, guys, we are insurance claim specialists. We are in the Greenville, Spartanburg, and Columbia markets here in the upstate. And you can reach us at 1-844-KEE-ROOF. That's toll free. Of course, KEERoofing.com. Our website as well. You can request a free inspection there. Or you can call us directly on our local numbers, of course. Greenville being 864-610-4240. And Columbia 803-369-3530. So we look forward to hearing from you soon and serving you, and here in the Greenville, Spartanburg, Columbia markets, guys. And don't settle for less than what you guys truly deserve. And if you guys are having any kind of issues with your insurance companies denying, delaying, or deferring, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. Bye for now.